In this video, you'll learn how to transfer your domain from Squarespace to Webflow. It's a simple process, but it requires attention to detail to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together, starting with accessing your Squarespace account. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to select the site associated with the domain you want to transfer. To do this, look for the three dots next to your site's name and give them a click. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, you're going to click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations related to your site, including domain settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Domains and Email. This is a crucial step because it leads you to the section where all domain-related actions are managed. Once you're in the Domains and Email section, click on Domains. This will display a list of domains associated with your Squarespace account. Find the domain you're looking to transfer and copy it. It's important to have this domain handy as you'll need it when you switch over to Webflow. With your domain copied, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to webflow.com. Log into your Webflow account, and once you're in, click on All Sites to view all your projects. Just like in Squarespace, locate the site you want to connect your domain to and click on the three dots next to it. Now, select Settings from the menu that pops up. This is similar to the process in Squarespace, where you're diving into the specific configurations for the site. Once in the settings, click on Publishing. This section is where you'll manage how your site is published online. In the Publishing section, you should see an area labeled webflow.io domain. This is where you'll paste the domain you copied earlier from Squarespace. By pasting it here, you are effectively telling Webflow that you want to use this domain for your selected site. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your domain from Squarespace to Webflow. Remember, changes to domain settings might take some time to propagate, so if you don't see immediate results, give it a little while. Transferring a domain doesn't have to be daunting when you break it down into simple steps. By following this guide, you should be able to make the switch with ease. If you run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams at Squarespace or Webflow for assistance. They're there to help you ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your websites effectively.